Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create crash zoom effect in VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project here, and then I'm going to choose video based since we want to edit video. Okay, and for the video I'm going to choose video menu, and I'm going to open up my download album, this one, and then I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to import this video to my VN project. Okay, and then I'm going to add keyframe to this video. You can add a keyframe to the part that you want to add a zoom effect, and then I'm going to add it right here. Okay, we can select the video until all these options appear, and after that we're going to choose keyframe. Okay, and then I'm going to add the second keyframe. Okay, I'm going to place it here for the second keyframe. You can add second keyframe to the part, and then you're going to zoom in like this. Okay, and then I'm going to apply curve. So I'm going to select curve here, and then I'm going to choose this, where is it? Okay, I'm going to choose the quad out. Okay, and it will create something like this. All right, and you can also add the another crash zoom effect on your video. For the second one, I'm going to add it here. Just repeat the steps I have told you. Add keyframe, add the second keyframe, and then make zoom effect. Wait, for the first keyframe, I'm going to make it like this, and for the second keyframe, create zoom effect, and then you're going to select the quad out like this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, and once you're ready to export it guys, you can click on this export menu. Okay, like this, and then you can choose the resolution, and then you can click on export, and the video with crash zoom effect in VN will be exported. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!